a Japanese laundry method that amazes with its effectiveness. See why ordinary laundry will never be the same again. For this, you'll need a drying rack. Start by hanging the longest clothes. Place them on the edges of the rack, on both sides. Then move each following item gradually toward the center, leaving enough space between them. Notice how each piece closer to the center is smaller. Larger clothes stay on the outside, and there's an important reason for that. Keep hanging until you reach the middle, where the smallest items go. Your drying rack should look just like this. Why is this Japanese method so effective? Because the laundry dries much faster. A curve forms in the middle, which supports the drying process. Warm air from the room gathers there, speeding up evaporation. This method not only saves you time, but also makes your laundry dry evenly and smell fresh. Just one simple trick can make daily chores so much easier.